Hi everyone, today I'm participating in a challenge. I'm so excited. Today's challenge is entitled DIY Painting Ideas. It is hosted by Heidi Sonboul and Krystal Hansen. I'm placing their links to their channels in my description below, and I have just completed this wreath or door hanging for this project. I did a lot of painting on this. I painted the frame, the initial W, and also some of the pine cones on the piece. I did this for my mom for her birthday. So if you like seeing ideas like this is my hobby. I love doing these types of projects. If you like seeing these types of things, think about. I can't wait to see what the other participants do for this project. I'm going to link the playlist to this entire challenge in my description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Hey everyone, today I am making a wreath. Well, it's really a door hanger for my mom. Happy birthday, Mom, in advance. Her birthday's coming up in a couple of weeks. So I am going to use this frame that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1, of course. It's 11 by 14, and then I'm gonna combine it with this W. I actually got this from Dollar Zone. And I'm just gonna start with my paints. You know, I always like to recycle or upcycle. Actually, I'm just gonna be using all new items for this. Oh, except for these paints, look. You know how I always brag about my finds at garage sales. This was $1, and look, I'll be doing something with this. But all of these paints, sometimes people, I think, just want to find a home for their items. But I'm going to be using definitely the white. I'm going to mix it with this milk chocolate for a little bit of texture, and also this camouflage color. This letter, and I used just one of these sanding blocks, and I took off most of the glitter. I think that's going to be fine. So now I'm going to start painting the letter while the frame dries. Adding a little bit of white, just with a very dry brush. Okay, so next I'm going to take jute twine, and I saw this technique on Glue Guns and Roses. I love that name. It's so cute. I think her name is Megan, and she did this technique where she just wraps the twine around her item in just a random kind of haphazard way, and it looks great. So I'm going to use this same technique because this frame is really lightweight. So I think the jute twine is going to give it not only a cool design element, but also a little bit more. So I'm just randomly wrapping it around, and then ever so often I'm giving it just a little hit of glue, little dot of glue from the glue gun. Okay, so I want the W to kind of have a mix of paints, and I'm playing this game here where I'm just going in with a little bit of the brown and white, and my instinct is to smear it and fix it, but the trick is to stop. And so I kind of like this effect. I'm going to see what it looks like when it dries, and because I want it to kind of look like a wood tone and not like that little foam letter that I started out with. But it's always a little tricky to know when to stop. So I think that looks good. I'm going to step away. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'll see what it looks like in the morning. It's the morning after. I really love this. The paint dried nicely. Just to bring in a little bit more of the greenish, kind of bluish color, I'm painting the edges of this W with a little bit of color that I mixed up because I also have some ribbon to add. This is my mom's favorite color, this kind of seafoam green. And I also have a little bit in polka dot because she does not like traditional fall colors, but this is a late summer, like early fall. So I'm going to be adding these cotton sprigs. I got these from Dollar Tree. These are so cute, and just to bring in a little bit more of that color, I'm taking some of these little pine cones and just hitting it with my dry brush so that I have a little bit more of that kind of bluish green color in the composition. I love the way this turned out. So this one is for my mom. Happy birthday, Mom, with love. And thanks to everyone who's watching. I hope this might serve as an idea for a wall hanging or a wreath for an alternative color scheme, something a little different from the rust gold yellows that we have for fall. So thanks everyone for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.